This is how you can you can do the secret in the new Brookhaven update. Ganto po 'yun. First, step 1, kumuha ka ng bahay. Step 2, kunin mo tong bahay, yung etong movie studio. Tuturo, maghintay lang.
Mukha daw ako si Marcelo.
Oo nga, kamukha mo nga. Wait lang guys, nagpagugat po ang aking kaibigan. Kamukha niya si Jose Rizal. Step 2. Kunin ang red key card. Yun. Kunin ang red key card. At pumunta dito sa elevator. Tan, tan, tan. Pere, pe, pe, pe. Pe, pe, pe. Ten, ten, ten. Okay. Pag nandito na po kayo, tignan niyo po ang note na to. Pause to read. Tapos, here you go. Okay. Now we wait. Again. This is not your thing if you're impatient. Step 3. Put in the sci-fi. Yung parang alien. Buksan ang gitna. At mapupunta dito ang shock.
Can you show me it?
I'm gonna upload it later. Boop. Yan. Nagka-shock na siya. Next. Pumunta dito sa una. At kunin ang axe. At hiyata! 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 There you go. Kunin ang blue key card. Pumunta ulit sa elevator.
Bigla naging piggy.
Step 4. Bumalik doon at buksan ang secret room.
Secret to.
Tut! Magal. There you go. Input ang code blindly think everything. Kapag green po, ibig sabihin, tama ang gawa mo. Pag alis mo, step 5. Pumunta doon sa dish. Sa delete dish. Talaga. Tututru.
Say something at the end.
Yeah, sure. And now, put in this code. 404. Recording message sent, tracking target locked, dish primed, send signal active. And that is how you do the secret in the new Brookhaven update. Say that thing.
I feel like the player is trying to contact some like alien things. Some like out of the world.
No, it's just straight up just going towards the satellite.
A satellite.
Ay, dito pala. Punta sa subway. Bonus secret po. Matanda na po tong secret. Pindutin dito. Boom. And then, whoop, you're here. Nasa ilalim kayo na. Saan na yun? Ay, dito pala. Yes. Para makaalis lang po. Where is it? There you go. Click this button. And then it's resealed. Wait, never mind. And that is how you do the secret in the new Brookhaven update.